Hey guys, it's Matt Mick here with Lincoln Select Real Estate Group at Nebraska Realty. And today I'm here to discuss with you how to sell your home quickly and still receive the highest price possible. Whether or not you are looking to move out of state or just away from a nosy neighbor that you don't like, if you have a desire to do that quickly without losing money, this video is going to be perfect for you. So over the last 10 years of experience in real estate here, I've seen it all from a normal market to this crazy seller's market that we've seen, and now this fluctuation back out. And from that experience, I've pulled together 3 things to think about here when you're trying to get your home sold quickly without leaving money on the table. So the first thing I want to hit on here is make sure you prepare your home for the market. And so our suggestion, and one thing that we do with every one of our clients, of course, is to have our designer walk through the home with our clients and simply point out and suggest what they should do within their home to make it as appealing as possible to the masses. Now that might be, maybe removing some personal effects or having it cleaned, packing stuff up. Almost everyone I speak with, I just tell them to start packing, right? You're going to move anyway. You may as well start packing now, get that stuff pushed away into your garage and whatnot. And you're already ahead of the game for when you guys sell your home. The second thing to consider here is, along with, that designer coming through, point things out you could do is, fix any repairs that, have been lingering. If those repairs have been in the back of your head over the past, 2, 5, 10 years, they're definitely going to be something that a buyer is going to pick up on when they're walking through your home. And so that's another thing that we here at Lincoln Select have done to help our clients. So we'll actually have a designer come through your home and, point out maybe what repairs they would suggest doing to bring you the most money. And we will actually pay for those repairs up front for you, so you don't have to come out of pocket. And then we'll simply just have you pay us back when your home sells. So a really good benefit there for our sellers to fix up their home without having to write a check to all those contractors. And then finally, if you're trying to sell your home quickly and not sacrifice the sale price of your home, I would highly recommend calling a real estate team to work with, similar to Lincoln Select here. Again, our vast knowledge and experience, we have proven results to get homes sold quickly and for top dollar. We have every step of the process well documented and ready for you to make the move you need to move in whatever time frame you need to. So if you guys are looking to sell quick, first step, honestly, call us. We'll take you through the rest. We'll hold your hand right through it. You're going to make the most money you can and get your home sold quickly. You know how to reach us. But guys, thanks so much for checking out the video today. If you need anything, we look forward to hearing from you. Take care. Hey, thanks so much for checking out our video and watching till the end. If you're looking for more content about real estate, just simply subscribe over here to the right. And if you want more information on what your home is worth, check out sellyourhomelincoln.com to get an evaluation done, and one of our listing specialists will reach out to you to help you determine that final price. Thanks again.